Hello everyone, this is John from the Auto Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 23rd of November intraday analysis. Alright, we will talk about some news first, then we will cover some other charts. First of all, Jerome Powell is second time Fed chairman, and then he will be with us another term after this renomination actually. We see some news good for US 10-year bonds because right now Biden, Yellen, and Jerome Powell, but three of them are saying the same thing. Inflation is high, and then we have to find a solution. They are living the saying of transitory saying because it doesn't work anymore, and then nobody is believing that theory anymore. So they say, all right, if it doesn't work, so we have to try another thing. So Jerome Powell was saying that it's transitory and it will just go away, and then we will be relaxing, and no need to take any further steps, and no need for tightening. But right now, the reverse is happening. Inflation isn't coming down, so they are starting to take measurements, tightening measurements. Taper was the first one, and actually it was planned, but these small amount of tapering didn't help it market. But on last Friday and yesterday, the speeches made just showed us we will see a higher level of tapering, and after that news we have seen a lot of decline in stocks because that easy money is not happening. So people are starting to take their position to US 10-year bonds as interest rates are high, getting higher. Gold was affected. The most affected is gold prices. It is right now under 1800 levels. That's really a tough situation for gold investors because year to date in gold there is not earning. It's almost a complete loss in gold investor if they hold throughout the whole year and then not selling and buying from some dips and highs. So the stocks are just facing some downturn as well. But the only thing is US 10-year bonds are taking the advantage. Alright, this was the news. With 10-year bonds, dollar index has risen as well. And we have seen high level of USD Japanese yen, low level of GBP USD and euro dollar. The charts we will be checking today, there will be three charts as always. The first one is USD Japanese yen, the second one is Ethereum USD, and the third and the last one will be GBP USD. Alright, let's start. We are starting with USD Japanese yen. As you can see here, it's going up. Dollar index is rising, and that's why with the rise of dollar index, USD Japanese yen is rising. So what we can expect? By the way, this 115 area, the tested area, is the highest of recent years. It has never seen these high levels on the last couple of years, and we see this level, and it's really a high level. From this point, as you can see from this point, we have seen a really sharp sell-off because it's getting closer to 115.26 point level. A rejection is happening, and right now another attempt is about to begin. It shows like that because the support line is working. And if we see another rebound from these, we can just see US 10-year bonds are the most important things, and also tomorrow evening FOMC meeting is the most important thing. If we just hear the speeches supporting dollar index, so it may test again 115 area, and then you can make money on buy position. If we see something, if we just see something like worsening dollar index, then sell position will make good money, because after the support almost anything on the side, and then you may make good profit on that one. All right, let's look at Ethereum prices.
You are ready to win with us, GAN Markets.
All right, Ethereum is just struggling to go higher levels. In cryptocurrencies, we are facing a break on the market. That's definitely kind of a break, because people are just waiting to hear some more news with really high level of dollar index. Cryptocurrencies are also being affected in this one. There is a reverse correlation between Bitcoin and dollar index. So we see this one with the rise of dollar index. We see low level of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is the leader of the market. When Bitcoin drops, the others are following each other. Only like a few altcoins are just on rise right now, but they are not so effective. They are not decision maker in the market. As you can see here, these support level 100 and almost 200, I can say like 4,200 level, we can say this level is kind of, this area is a good support area. And if we just see about this one, we can see another trial to higher levels. But if we just see below this level, below like a 4,200, that one, then we may see another decline in Ethereum prices. Please just watch carefully. Right now it's on support level, and from this level we may see a rebound if it just goes higher. All right, let's look at Gbp USD. All right, our last chart is Gbp USD. As you can see here, Gbp USD is on the fall because of the dollar index, and also things in UK is not improving, and we have seen fuel shortages, and then we have seen labor shortages. And recent data published today, and in Europe, almost like every market manufacturing PMIs has risen, but in UK it has fallen because of these shortages. Manufacturing side and other problems are being affected, are affecting the market PMIs, and right now we see low level of Gbp USD. So if this support level doesn't work, then we will see 132 area in Gbp USD. But right now it has worked once, the support line, but we will see it will work again from this point. If we don't see a rebound on upside, then we will see a decline, and it may test 132 on short term. And if that happens, you can just open a sell execution, and then you can make profit. Thank you so much for watching. We will be together on more news this afternoon, and then we will speaking about more charts. Have a nice day. Bye.